Hi there, in this video I am going to be giving you a full flip through at the dashboard planner. This is the default cover, but this planner does come with over 15 covers that you do get to swap out. Some are more colorful, and I do show you how to do all of that in your purchase tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up our planner. So what I'm going to do is just kind of swipe in, and I do get into my dashboard. So this planner does come in Monday start and Sunday start, dated and undated. You do get those both versions. And I want to start off, I will go over all of these tabs here at the top, and I will show you all the inserts that are included. But I want to start off by showing you the default weekly view and the default daily view. This is a monthly, weekly, and daily planner. If you are looking for only monthly, weekly, we also have that option, or only monthly, we do have that option in the desk pad. So there is kind of a planner for everyone. So I want to show you the weekly views. So this does take me to my weekly view. I have it over here on the side, and then I have space over here for stickers, widgets. And by the way, you do get this sticker book that comes with your purchase, and you do also get that white theme so it can go with your planner. You get all these stickers and all of these color schemes, which is going to be great for planning. And then I can tap on any day and it will take me to my daily view. You have your schedule, space for customization, your to-do list, and then we can press on this arrow and it can take us back to the corresponding weekly view. Notice how this planner has no lag, which is amazing, just because I know that is very important when it comes to choosing a planner. Also, in your monthly views, you do have this little section in the top right corner that takes you to your monthly review. You kind of get to review your month and then plan for the upcoming month. And every month you will see that there, and you have that corresponding review page there. This little home button will always take us to our dashboard. We swipe one to the side and we have our cover. Now let's go ahead and talk first. Before I go over all these templates, I want to talk about the custom sections. So this planner does come with 25 extra tabs for your own templates. So let's just say something that you need is not here. You can add it yourself and keep it here. So all of these are hyperlinks, so I can label this tab. Let's just say that I need a specific tab for party planning. That's just an example. I can label my section number 1 for party planning, add my table of contents, any stickers or stuff notes that I want to add. And then here I can insert those party planning inserts that I have. Our shop does have a lot of insert add-ons that you can use. And you can also label your party planning tab. You can go here and under custom sections, and you can either use your pen tool or you can use your text I wrote pen, party planning. And you can label these any way that you'd like. So you do, and these 25 tabs are these over here on the top, so you can kind of tap through them and have access to them. Now let's go ahead and go over our dashboard templates. So everything, like I said, is hyperlinked. So if I go to my yearly planning, I have my year at a glance. I can also access my monthly views through here if I want to access that. I can come back to my, I can come back to my year at a glance and tap on any month I would like to go to. I can also plan my quarters, and everything is hyperlinked. I have that quarter there. Let's go back to our dashboard so we can go in order. So the year at a glance, the quarters, and then the planning ahead. This can be used for 2023 or any other year, or for the current year. Our little pencil takes us to our master to-do list. Then we have a notepad. This is a great tab that I know many of you are going to get a lot of use out of it, just because sometimes you're just in a rush and you need a place to just jot something down on really quick, and this will be your notepad, so you can do that. The little flag takes you to a place for your own template. So we have our finances, wellness, cooking, projects, all of that. If you would like to add something specific to your planner, this would be the place to add it, and you know that your flag will take you to your corresponding template that you decided to use. We have our finance templates. So let's go ahead. You can either see them, like let's just say I'm looking for a specific monthly budgeting, and I can kind of see at a glance that it was this one, and I can either tap on it through here, or I can also come here and come to monthly budget number 2 and access it through there too, or do it through my icon. So it's really going to be easy to find the templates that you're looking for. You have your bill tracker. I am going to kind of swipe quick through these so you can just see them. And then we have our little heart takes us to our wellness and fitness inserts. These can be moved anywhere around in your planner. You can even add them into your custom sections, and you can make all of these templates work wherever it is that you would like them to be. Then the little cooking icon is going to take us to our meal planning templates. We have several options just because I know everybody likes to plan different. Grocery list, recipe. Then if we go here to this little graph, we have our project planning templates. I used these a lot last year in the previous planners just because I needed a place to just map out my projects. Then we have the goal planning templates. Weekly review, weekly schedule, habit breakdown, routines. Then the little book takes us to our meetings tab. You have them in blank in case you're typing, or you want lined, dotted, or grid. Then we have our travel tab. You can either access it through here. We have our checklist, outfit planner, travel plan, checklist, foods to try, places to visit, expenses, packing list. And then here in your sticker organizer, which is this little paint thingy here at the top, you can either add the stickers from your sticker book, and I do show you how to do this in a video. Grab them all with your lasso tool and bring them into your sticker organizer so you have everything in one place. Or another option that you can use this for is if you would like to create your own template here, you can essentially cover this part with whatever it is that you'd like, and you know what this little icon means to you. If you would like for this to be a specific budgeting sheet or a wellness template, then you can cover it with that and make this your own little tab. Then the last tab we have over here is our extra pages tab. We have the blank, the dotted, the grid. I'm going to go a little faster these, and you can essentially move these anywhere, create your own templates, just make all of these work to fit your needs. You have the double blank, double dotted, double grid. And then towards the end, you won't see this link. The last one linked is the double dotted, but if you keep scrolling, you will have the extra weekly views, which like I said, you'll only know about these if you are looking at this video, and you get to move these around into your extra pages, custom tabs, or just move them anywhere that you'd like. So to access these hidden weekly views, make sure you go to your last extra page linked and then swipe to the side, and you will have these here. So I really hope that helps. I really hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you want to see what the book bound looks like, or the faith planner, or the other life planner looks like, you can go ahead and watch my other tutorials. I do go full in depth on using everything once you purchase. Hope you all enjoyed this video.